Hi, I'm Kim Goyette, and I'm so excited for you to join me with yoga with Meditation Mutha today. I am in incredibly beautiful Costa Rica at the magical Anamaya Resort for our 12th annual yoga retreat, and I wanted to share such a high vibe energy with you. The surroundings are so incredible with all the animals and the plants, and you can really feel that energy being absorbed into your system, helping to relax and rejuvenate. So this practice is a Yin Yoga practice, and it's all about absorbing the energy around you to fill your cup. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So we're going to start in a comfortable seat, whatever that looks like for you. You can relax the shoulders away from the ears and gently close the eyes. We're going to tune into the breath to start. And just noticing, inviting the inhale into the center point of your heart. And with every inhale, drawing that beautiful energy into your system. And on an exhale, grounding, softening more towards the earth. As we inhale, expand that energy from that heart center out to every cell of your container. Exhaling, softening, rooting down into the earth below you. And just taking a few more breaths like that, really filling up with your energy. And then just bringing your awareness to the sensation on your skin. And just noticing the energy that resides right on the skin surface and expands beyond yourself. Connecting with your outside world. And start to radiate that energy outward. And with every inhale, invite the external energy into your world. And with every exhale, sharing your energy with the outside world. And just a few more breaths back and forth, just like that. And then relax your concentration. Gently open the eyes. We're going to move into some postures to help open up the heart in receiving. So let's bring the hands out nice and wide out to the sides of the body, palms face forward, and then drag the palms back, open up the heart. Notice your shoulder blades drawing in towards each other. Reach your fingertips as far away from each other as you can. How large can you get in the front body? Gently close the eyes, lift the heart up towards the sky, almost like you're receiving a huge hug. Take a deep breath into the heart center. Exhale, soften, giving that energy back. Good. Invite the energy from the outer world into your heart center. Exhale. Good. One more deep breath here. And exhale. Good. Drop the fingertips down, relax the shoulders. You can open the eyes. Raise your right hand straight up towards the sky, plant the left palm and take it over to the side. So if you'd like, you can actually bring your fingertips behind your head, elbow points up, and then draw your heart up to the sky. Expose the armpit. Inhale, expand the heart and lungs on the right side. Exhale, sink and ground more deeply into the earth. Do it again, inhale. And exhale. One more time, inhale. And exhale. let's take the left hand straight up towards the sky, take it over to the side, and then maybe bend that elbow. Shine your heart up towards the sky. Open up the armpit. Take a nice inhale here into the left body. Exhale. Good. Inhale again. Expand. And exhale. Nice. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Come back to center. Roll the shoulders back. Nice. And then we're going to take it all the way down onto our back. So I'm going to turn sideways, come to the center of the mat, grab onto the backs of the thighs, and slowly lower down. Separate the feet out to the corners of the mat, nice and wide. Bring both arms overhead in an X. Good. Nice wide hands as well. And then from your toes all the way up through your fingertips, inhale. It's like you're receiving all the abundance of the universe into your body. Exhale, giving back that energy. Good. Inhale, breathing in that high vibe resonation. And then exhale, giving back in return. Good. Reach from your toes all the way up to your fingertips. Inhale. And exhale. Nice. If you'd like, you can stay here, or you can take your right ankle, cross it over your left ankle, and then drop your left hand down along your side. Sweep your right arm overhead. Open up the side body on the right, and move into a banana or a C shape. So start to run your breath. It's like where our toes are our roots, and from the roots we're pulling up through Mother Earth into our feet. Inhale all the way up the right side body through the fingertips, and then exhale in return all the way down back into our roots, into Mother Earth. That beautiful exchange of energy. Breathing on your own, expanding all the way up to the fingertips, and then exhaling. Good. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale. One last time, really running that energy from Mother Earth up your roots, through your system, into the body. And exhale. Let's relax the hands in a big wide X again overhead. You can uncross the ankles, separate the feet, and just pause for a moment, really grounding down with the shoulder blades and the hips, just noticing any differences from right to left. Bring your awareness to your vulnerability. So this is a very vulnerable position, and allowing yourself to open to receive in this posture. Receive the energy of the universe, and then with gratitude, giving back. Pausing here for one more moment. And then with feet nice and wide, we can cross the left ankle over the right ankle. Take your right hand and drop it down. Reach your left hand and arm overhead to making a C shape to the right this time. Opening up the left side of the body. So from the left ankle all the way up through the left fingertips, inhale. Exhale, soften. Inhale, expand the ribs and lungs. Really using the energy, moving it through the body to fill your cup, and then returning it with gratitude back down into the earth through your roots. A few more breaths on your own.
when you're ready, this time you can allow your arm to come along your side, center the shoulder blades, uncross the ankles, and just pause for a moment. Maybe the palms are face up in a sign of receiving. Good. Hug the knees into the chest. Give yourself a nice hug. Maybe even lift your chin up towards your knees. And a nice ball. And just notice that sense of energy within the body, containing that energy within the body, and then opening up, get nice and long, extend the legs, bring your hands overhead, straight overhead. Toes are pointed, fingertips reach overhead, and from your toes all the way up through your fingertips, inhale. Expand the heart, expand the lungs, create room to receive within the body. Exhale, giving back in return. Good. Get as long as possible from the toes all the way up through the fingertips. Inhale. Exhale, softening, rooting down. Good. 2 more breaths like that. Inhale, expand, get long in the body, creating space for all the abundance to flow into your life. Exhale. 1 more time, inhale. And exhale. Bring your arms along your side. Legs extended. You can roll your palms facing up. Let the heels and ankles roll wide and just pause for a moment. Notice and tune in. How do you feel in your system, in this container? Let's hug the knees into the chest. We're going to roll over to one side, make our way all the way up to seated. And we're going to finish with a little bit of breath work to help us bring that energy into our system with pure gratitude. We receive energy from the plants and animals and in our environment all the time. And that's why it's so important to get into nature as much as you can, because that's where you find your highest vibrational state. So we're going to focus on the inhale and segment the inhale. We're going to inhale for 2, open up the arms. Inhale for 2, arms overhead, and then pull all the energy of the universe for 4, 3 on an exhale, 2 into our hearts. Okay? So inhale for 2, open up the arms. Inhale for 2, arms overhead. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently close the eyes. Inhale for 2, open up the arms. Inhale for 2, arms overhead. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 2, open up the arms. Inhale, 2, arms overhead. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 2. Hold. Inhale, 2. Hold. Exhale. Draw all the energy of the universe into the heart. Inhale, 2. Hold. Inhale, 2. Hold. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 2. Hold. Inhale, 2. Hold. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just pause for a moment, pressing the thumbs into the heart. Lift the heart back into the thumbs. And then bow and surrender the thinking mind to the feeling heart. And just thank yourself for being here in this moment today. Exchanging energy with nature and each other. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm Kim Goyette, your meditation mother. If you like this video and you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. And if you want to join us for a yoga retreat just like this one, I'm up in a beautiful magical treehouse in the middle of Costa Rica.
then please check out my website at www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.